Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a newsletter to your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, your newsletter is going to be pretty much in the same format as your blog or any other thing of that sort. You're going to be using posts, which are pretty much the blog functionalities of WordPress, and this is exactly how you use them. Now, what you need to do first is go into posts. You can click on this or go to all posts. You can even click add a new post from here, or you can add categories, and from there you can add categories and tags to differentiate a newsletter from a standard blog or from any other post. I'll skip over that. That is completely up to you. What I will be doing is going into all posts, and now as you'll see, you can go ahead and add a new post. And once we do that, it's going to take us over to the editor. Here we're going to add the title, which I'm just going to title it newsletter, and we're going to add some random text that is, this is a newsletter. And of course, you can add whichever elements you would like. You can go ahead and add blocks through the add block menu. You can add patterns, media that you've uploaded yourself. You just need to customize your newsletter to the best of your abilities, however you would like. Now, you can just go ahead and click on newsletter, and it's going to send it to subscribers, and you can view it as post only, or you can go ahead and add it as post in the email as well. And yeah, this will be sent to one subscriber. However, there you need to confirm if you want to send it. However, if you go ahead and publish it first, then you should have no trouble just sending it as a newsletter. It's going to be automatically sent to your subscribers, and that is all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.